Hey guys, hi, Aniket here. So, back with another video on the JD and Hermes integration that I was building. So, in my previous video, if you saw, I've integrated JD with Hermes and I was communicating via Telegram. But to be honest, in an organization, nobody uses Telegram. So, uh, today I have done an integration with Slack because that's what I had access to right now. So basically, it's the same thing. So now instead of Telegram, your users can just post anything in one channel, and then the AI agent, Shadow in this case, would try to give the reply, the best reply possible. So let's ask some questions. Like how many zombies are there in the system right now? So if you see, I just asked the question and it is already starting to check. So basically it connects to the agent server and then connects to JD, finds the orchestration, runs it, and then within a minute you have that answer. There are no zombies on the kernel right now. But these things that I covered in the last video also, these were more from a CNC perspective. So we were thinking of some use cases for business users. One of the most common use case that we had was object reservations. So business object reservations. So many times it happens that multiple people are working on the same record, and because one of the user is already working on the same record, the other user cannot edit it because of an object reservation lock. So in such cases, the users end users reach out to IT, and then the IT reaches out to CNC support maybe, and then eventually the support team clears out the logs and then tells the user to uh, go ahead with their activity. But this takes time. So what I've done right now is I've created a few object reservations behind the scene right now. So we'll just ask the bot to see uh, a shadow, how many object reservation do you receive on my ID? So I've created a user ID called Hermes, and I've opened multiple applications, multiple SOs with that particular ID in JD. So there should be object reservation logs for that. What we'll do is, if it is able to find out the object reservations, uh, we'll ask it to clear the object reservation also. So we'll check if it does that process. And similar to last time, uh, we can either chat via typing, or we can send a record or send an audio clip. So even if we send an audio clip, it will still understand what we are asking, and it will get back the results. So still replied in a minute. So it says I found 3 object reservations for user ID Hermes. Okay, so let's say for the order type 35 OB. Okay, can you clear this object reservation record? So now we didn't mention the generic key or anything like the name of the column. We just mentioned that particular key, and we told it to clear it. So it has been successfully cleared. Okay. Mm, so again, just doing a check to see if it actually cleared or not. So if you see here, now the record shows cleared. Okay. So now the LLM is integrated with Slack. We can even do it with Teams and get the results similar to this. And the more you use it, the more the LLM understands, the agent understands, and the better the results. And of course, if you try to use a better model, your results would be more detailed and more quicker. And there's one more thing. So I've integrated all this with Siri. So my Hey Siri wouldn't work because I'm recording my screen right now, so I'll manually trigger Siri. Ask Shadow, can you get me a list of applications which was recently run by the user Andy? So two things happening. One is Siri can now talk to the bot. So basically your laptop or your phone can initiate a conversation with the bot. And second is a new orchestration. So this is a very useful orchestration when there are issues like your end user is complaining that their app is not working, but they don't generally give the details. So you don't need to go and ask them for which application or what they were doing on the system. You can actually just check it from the back end. The orchestration can pull out all the recent applications which were opened by that user, and it can give you the details. So by default it is currently fetching only the top 15 one, but it can do a lot more than 15. So if you see, these were the applications. What are the application names, the date and time, and the environment where the application was opened. So yeah, this is a neat little orchestrations that will be very useful. And of course, from series integration, we can now use the bot for JD from anywhere. Thank you.